Vielleicht ist das Auto sehr lang.
Warum er so lang geblieben? Ist es sehr rutschig gewesen?
Ja.
War schon sehr.
Okay guys, welcome to this video. Today we're reviewing my personal car, my Lexus Ls430, and yeah, let's do a quick walk around just to show you the car. I'm sorry, the car's pretty dirty, but it's also really snowy, and so I can't really do anything about it, and cleaning the car up doesn't make any sense because it gets dirty so fast. So, you know, the best, wait, let me show you something. Best view for the car, I think, is like the side profile of the car looks really good, because again the front looks kind of weird, but the back is like really long, and I really enjoy the back. I enjoy. Wait, here you can see like the, hope you can see it on the camera, but you have the V8 badge. And wait, I can also I show you the engine later. Let's get in the inside. This car has also, I can show you that real quick, also soft close, so it closes itself. Here's the back. There's some stuff, the camera, and you know, yeah. Okay guys, let's do a quick, we are on like a snowy place, and we will do like a quick little drift. Let's put it in drive, and we have the traction control, now it's off, and we can like give it a little, okay, we have to go on a little speed first, give it a little punch, and then like drifting in snow is also always really slow, but I guess that's also like a good part. Turn the wheel, give it a little bit of gas, then excuse my bad drifting. I'm like, this is not a lot experienced with drifting, but I will give, as you can see, I can't hear the V8 rumble a bit. I love that subtle V8 rumble. Like, let's do it a little faster. Turn the wheel, give it a little bit of gas, and then, okay, I fucked it up again. A little bit of gas. Oh, I hope I can still even drift here. Some really slow drifting, but it's better than no drifting, I guess. That's probably the only way you shouldn't drive the car. But it's winter, and I guess it's fucking fun. Okay guys, let's do a little drive. let's do a little drive at first, just drive impressions, so just you can hear and feel the car a little, and then I can tell you some details about the car later, but now let's do a little drive first. The traction control on again. This car also has a snow mode, but it just changes the gearbox behavior a little bit, so can't, you know, the power output when you press the gas pedal is not that, you know. Let's put it in power mode now. The gearbox really responsive, and it changes to a higher gear way faster. And when I put it on like snow, the gearbox is not really responsive, so it's not like taking a higher gear that easily, if you know what I mean. I hope. Okay, let's turn off the snow mode and drive through the village and just. So this, the Ls430 is one of the most quiet cars ever made in terms of gas-powered cars. It has a 4.3 liter V8, that's probably what they call the Lexus Ls430, and has like around 300 horsepower, and it's fairly quick. It gets to 100 km/h or 60 miles per hour in around 6 or 6.4 seconds. I can give it a little gas, like not come full, but that's like half gas. You can see how. Okay, that was not a fast pull, but it's fairly quick for such a big and heavy car. Also, the interior of the car is really nice. It has, you can see everywhere, it's like that's like real wood, and the steering wheel, since this car is like around 283,000 kilometers, the wood on the steering wheel is already a bit cracked, but it doesn't matter. This, like, from what I've heard, the wood on these cars on the steering wheel like breaks pretty early on the car. And also this car has like a touch screen, which is, can you even see it? Oh, I'm sorry. This is like, I have to option display. Oh, it's already on bright or whatever. You can, as you can see, it's touch. One of them, it's pretty responsive for such an old touch screen. And you know, turn it off again, which is also pretty interesting. What is also pretty interesting is that this car has, if you go on climate, and let's put it on high, you can see these vents, what they call oscillating. They move themselves automatically. They spread the air in the car, which is really useless. No, which is like a nice gimmick. It's probably not the most useful thing ever, but it's really cool. Let's put this off because I don't want that much airflow. I want it on the window and the feet. Since this is like a really big engine, it takes a long time until the vents blow hot air. It takes a really long time, which is sometimes really annoying. But you have heated and cooled and ventilated, cooled and ventilated seats, which is nice. If you, yeah, which is nice. Okay guys, let's give it a little pull. Let's give it a little, not from, it's not the best to drive with such a big and heavy car that hard. It's not the best for the car, but let's give it a quick pull. Okay, that's it. It's really fast. It's really fast. But when you're driving it that hard, it eats so much fuel. It's not the best thing, but it's really fast. It's really nice. I enjoyed that. It was fun actually. And also, as in any car, you can turn the brightness of the speedometer. And yeah, let's turn right real quick. And for a V8, this car has like pretty good gas mileage. You can drive it on a highway or on the autobahn with like around 10-ish liters. Like when you drive like 140 kmh or kmh, let's say kmh, kmh or whatever, let's say kmh. When you drive 140 kmh, you literally like using like 10 liters of fuel, which is nice. But if you drive around the city, this is a catastrophe, and it's just gonna make you broke. It's making me broke. It's making me really broke. It's making me really broke fast. And the park sensors, it has also park sensors, but those don't really work. It has controllable air suspension, so I can put the car on high, which takes really long. But if you saw the new Porsche air suspension, it's like really fast, it's crazy. And so it has also headlight washers, and if you look in the back there, retractable sunshade in the back, and put them up again. Yay! Okay, okay guys, my brother has like a FPV drone to get some nice shots of the car, and we didn't have enough capacity on the drone, probably because the battery went down so fast, because as you can see outside it's snowy and it's extremely cold. No, it's not that cold, it's -2 degrees, but still the battery went down really fast. And I hope we have like a few outside shots, but that's the best we could do today. And okay, let's go.